If you've ever owned a robot vacuum, you probably already know the frustrations. And we're talking about the tangled hair all over the brush, the corners that never really get fully clean, and then you also get the carpets that get wet right after mopping. And don't even get me started on the stations because they constantly need your attention. Well, this right here is the Eureka J15 Ultra and is built specifically to solve those problems. Let's go ahead and get started, see how it works, see how it cleans, and everything that you need to know about it.
It's built for everyday use, and this means no tangled hair, cleaner edges, dry carpets, and significantly less maintenance. And it's a great fit for pet owners, busy households, or anyone who wants a robot vacuum that actually cleans thoroughly without constant oversight. And the Eureka J15 Ultra is a fully automated robot vacuum and mop designed around three key priorities: tangle-free cleaning, true edge-to-edge coverage, and smart decision-making while it cleans. And instead of forcing you to adjust your home around the robot, this adapts to your space and your mess. Now, when it comes to hair, we got the Flex Eraser tangle-free system, and is the hair tangling one of the biggest pain points when it comes to robot vacuums, especially if you have pets or long hair. And the J15 Ultra uses the Flex Eraser tangle-free system, which actively cuts up hair up to 400 times per minute, reducing the hair wrap by up to 99%. And that means far less manual cleaning and consistent performance over time. And the J15 Ultra uses the Scrub Extended Swing Arm mop that automatically extends when it reaches edges and corners, applying real pressure to clean right up against the walls. And it flexes on contact to protect your furniture while delivering nearly full edge coverage instead of leaving dirty gaps behind. Now, this robot uses the IntelliView AI, combining with RGB cameras, the LiDAR, the laser sensors to recognize over 150 different objects, and he identifies debris types, avoid obstacles, and he adjusts the cleaning strategy automatically, including deciding when to use hot water for tougher stains. And the result is a smarter cleaning with far less babysitting. Now, for homes that are mixed flooring, the J15 Ultra automatically lifts the mop when it detects carpet, it keeps the rugs dry while switching the vacuum mode, and at the same time it delivers up to 19,000 pascals of suction, providing a strong carpet cleaning without dragging moisture across your floors. Now, you also get dual rotating mops that spin at 200 RPM with consistent downward pressure and follow a smart cleaning path that prevents dirt from being dragged back over already cleaned areas. And this makes a noticeable difference in kitchens, entryways, and high traffic zones. And the base station handles nearly everything on its own. It washes the mop with hot water, it dries it with hot air, and it self-empties into a dust bag that can last up to 75 days. And this is pretty much real hands-free cleaning and not just something that you have to constantly maintain. And through the app, you can manage schedules, cleaning modes, multi-level maps, and remote monitoring. And you also get the voice assistant support that is also available. But the biggest benefit here is that once you set it up, you rarely need to touch up the app again.
So if you want a robot vacuum and mop that actually solves those real issues that people complain about, and we're talking about the hair tangles, the edge cleaning, the carpet protection, and the maintenance, I think the Eureka J15 Ultra is a complete package and a well thought out solution for your home. So if you want to grab one of these Eureka J15 Ultra, go ahead and click the link in the description below so you can get a special discount from us. Thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.